Enjoy the view of this 2023 Honda CR-V. Prepare to fall in love with this sleek, tech-savvy CR-V. Loaded with convenience features to make your life easier, all-weather capability, and premium styling, this small SUV is the perfect complement to your active lifestyle. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, moonroof, adaptive cruise control, heated mirrors, dual zone AC, power driver seat, alarm, heated front seat, aluminum wheels. What are you waiting for? Take the wheel of this sophisticated and powerful Honda CR-V and let the adventures begin.